Happy Choti Diwali to all of you. Today is Choti Diwali, the day before yung main celebration talaga ng Diwali, which is tomorrow. So, parang ngayon, Choti. Choti is like small or baby Diwali. Mini celebration of Diwali today. So, tomorrow is the grand celebration. So, happy Choti Diwali. And just this afternoon, we received a phone call from the police station regarding Mishka's passport verification. Tama ba? Renewal ng kanyang passport. Ganito usually yung ganap dito sa India, guys. Instead na pupunta yung police sa bahay to verify our address, they will ask us to go to the police station. Ganon yung setup. So, kami yung pupunta ngayon doon. So, she wants to have this Suwan Papdi.
Suwan Papdi?
Maybe you should open the big one. This one is the small one. There is another big one there. You ask Daddy. So, we are now going to the police station para ma-process yung passport ni Mishka. Tignan niyo naman yung hair clip niya. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Ang bilis lang namin. Si Abhi lang naman yung pumasok dun sa police station. Tapos tinanong siya kung bakit. Yung first daw na question sa kanya is, bakit ganito yung pangalan ng anak mo? What is the meaning of your daughter's name? Ganun. And then, sabi na Abhi na foreigner yung asawa niya. Ganun. Tapos konting chikahan. Tapos sabi nung police na nagve-verify, sabi niya, there are also 2 other foreigners dito daw sa area namin. Sa sakop ng kanilang police station. Sabi na Abhi, yes. Same country lang daw kasi mga Filipino din. Kasi yung police station na magve-verify para sa kay Mishka is the same police na nagve-verify ng lahat ng mga foreigners dito sa area namin. And on the way home, bumili kami ng bun because we are making burger, veg burger. Meron kaming patties. So ito, burger tayo. Snacks for this evening. Choti Diwali celebration namin, guys. Veg burger. And as usual dito, since celebration nga, Diwali, ganyan, bawal yung meat. So, veg muna tayo. Here's our patties. Veg patties. Ang ganda din ng nabili ni Abhi na tawa. Non-stick siya. So, hindi siya dumidikit. They're cleaning. What are you doing there? Ito na yung ating sandwich, guys. Yung dalawang bata, si Mishka at yung isa niyang pinsan nakakain na. Pero yung kay Mishka hindi niya kinain. Though plain lang yung nilagay ko sa kanya. Walang onion, walang cucumber, pickles, or kamatis. Pero ayaw niya. Hindi niya feel mag-burger ngayon. Mishi, cover ears.
My friends are calling me.
Who?
My friends from Delhi, they have called.
Who?
My school friends.
Halos dito sa colony namin, guys, yung mga bahay meron ng mga ilaw. Ang liwanag na. Yan naman yung sa aming row. Si Honey, plano din yung bumili ng dollhouse kasi sa pag-celebrate ng Diwali, naglalagay sila ng mga grains, mga pagkain sa dollhouse. Para sa atin, yung before mag-New Year, diba? Kailangan nating punuin yung ating mga lagayan ng asin, bigas, para whole year meron tayong supply. So, bukas, ganun din yung gagawin ba? Para maglalagay sila ng mga grains sa dollhouse.
कितना का है?
Exobis 120. We are buying this Dia. Water yung ilagay mo, then aandar siya. Water LED sensor Dia. So we're getting this. Your Dia. Now we are going to light some firecrackers after coming from the market. Actually, doon sa tindahan, bumili kami ng mga carton. So we can make dollhouse. Hindi kami bumili ng dollhouse. Yung gawa na. Sabi namin, gagawa na lang kami. So si Honey, bumili siya ng box. Kami bumili din so I can make furnish ka. And now, firecracker time. Ay, ang nice ng kandila nila. There's a stand. See? So, ito yung kandila. Tapos, may kasama siyang holder. Parang stand niya sa ilalim. Nito siya. Tapos, yan. Diba? Dito ko lang ito nakita sa India. Dati, diba? Kailangan pumatak pa siya before mo siya mapapatayo sa atin. So, kanila, meron na siyang stand. Let's go. Let's go below. We'll light some crackers and then after that, we'll make our dollhouse. Our neighbors are also lighting some crackers.
Which cash do you do? Hold this.
Go! It's red! Go, Mimi!
Give me that.
One only, Nahan, so tomorrow we can have more. Miti is scared. Come here. Come here. Wow.
Nice.
Nice. What color is this?
Green.
Green. Why it's taking so long ba? Wow.
Hold it.
Hold. Hold, Miti, hold.
इसको पकड़ो मीठी, इसको पकड़ो, लाइटर मत पकड़ो, ये पकड़ो, ये वाला पकड़ो, पकड़ो, हाँ, मीठी, मीठी, अरे पकड़ो अपना, पकड़ो अपना, तो दूर हो जाओ,
Yay.
No, it's dangerous.
It's hot.
चलो, मीठी, careful,
Hey,
कुछ नहीं होगा.
It's okay, it's okay. Mimi, look. Yay. Wow. This is our water-based Dia. You can light one. Ito yung box na gagawin nating dollhouse, and we also bought some wrappers. Ooh. Try another one. This one is not working. She's enjoying this, putting water in and out. Nice, Mimi. She's happy. Okay, let's make her dollhouse. And we also bought rangoli for tomorrow. Ito yung gagawin nating design sa ating pintuan. First is...
First design, which design you will make? What design?
No, just this one. We'll open this one. And then we'll just keep like this.
What you mean?
Just cover this na.
Yeah.
No, we have to cover that. Small door only.
Little bigger, but small.
Little bigger but small. Do you want window?
I will put it. Let me make my door house. see under yet. But it's not working anymore.
Make one for
Not working. Maybe this is the water, Mama.
You hit okay na? We hit your door. Mimi, you want to take out the door or you want to open, close it, open, close it?
Open and close. Let's open and close like our door.
Like our door. This one is better, huh? Maybe we need the blue packaging hand. Hand? This one for closing. Get the blue tape.
Hello.
Now this is our house. This is the door.
Let me see it. Mom is going to put the
जब दिया like bad things, bad energy will go out, and this diya will last. It will be kept outside the house.
Open and close.
चलो बाहर जाकर रख
See, Daddy G will put the diya outside. With dal.
चलो
So my mommy that they're making doll house for me because I'm asking for doll house. So they're making me some. It will take a lot of time. So now they are making it. So now decorating it to make it beautiful. Niti's mom is also making it, but she studies in beauty. So Niti's mom is making it, and my mom is also making. So Niti's watching phone and was also watching Niti's phone, and my mom is talking while Dad's making it.
Are you sleepy now? Our house is not yet done. So yan, mayroon tayong door dito.
Don't put so much, don't press so much.
For our daughter's childhood memory. Sabi ni Afi, we are doing this much para meron si Mishkang childhood memory na gumagawa kami ng dollhouse during Diwali. Gusto ko din na gawin ito, even though this is not in our tradition, but I want Mishka also to have a memory na gumagawa kami nito because nakikita niya sa mga pinsan niya, na-experience din niya yung kung ano yung sa side ni Afi na ginagawa ng isang nanay para sa kanyang anak tuwing Diwali. So push natin yung pagiging ano natin, artistic para sa ating anak. I did it! We made Mimi a dollhouse for tomorrow's celebration, Diwali. So tomorrow, what are we going to do with the dollhouse tomorrow, Mimi?
Put some salad,
What are we going to put inside?
some light, and food and something inside.
Yeah, we're going to put some food inside, some grains, puff rice. Yeah, like puff rice.
I like your dollhouse, Mommy. So pretty, and it's like a unicorn. I like it.
You like it. But you chose the color. You chose the wrapper earlier, right? What will you say to Mommy? I made you the dollhouse.
Thank you, Mommy.
And
Daddy.
Happy Diwali!